The challenges that comes with being a female entrepreneur or in the IT space is that you have to work 10 times more than your male counterparts to prove a point, to say that you can also be on the same page as them, or you can also deliver the same product or service that they deliver on the IT space. You can speak the same language, but the unfortunate part is that you have to work harder.
I think a lot can be done from our side. A lot needs to be done from a partnership perspective. We need to be very deliberate about it as women. If leadership positions come up, we need to be able to network, we need to be able to speak to each other on how do we propel ourselves in those interviews. We need to be able to have these digital advocacy platforms.
There's massive opportunities for women in the tech space. We need data scientists, we need engineers, we need commercial people, we need sales people, we need client services people who can literally help us digitize, the journey of client experience.
We know that even now, when I go to see a doctor, even when my husband goes to look for a doctor, he doesn't care whether it's a female or it's a male. So when you think about it, the problem is really a structural problem that has to be solved with education, providing access and exposure to make sure that we create a pipeline of young girls who will take STEM when they get to high school, and when they graduate from high school and go to university, they take IT.
And actually make sure that they know that there is room in tech, but also to actually give information in terms of what does it pertain to actually be somebody in tech, what career options are there, because technology is very broad. When we say we're in tech, you have no idea what I actually do, right? So I think to just raise that awareness, and to also, I think, to really raise that thing that there are certain problems that are better solved by us as women because we go through those issues, such as things like gender-based violence. A lot of women are affected by that, and it is important to have those young women on that table solving problems that actually affect them, because they are the best people to solve problems that they go through on a daily. So we definitely need them to come and solve those problems.